Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make buttermilk fried chicken. So to start off, as you can see, I am pouring 1 cup of milk. Now I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. You're done mixing, we're going to prepare this to put it in the microwave it for 45 seconds and then let it sit for 10 minutes. So guys, after 10 minutes, this is how the homemade buttermilk will look like. So don't be alarmed, this is normal. Just put it in a jar, a clean jar, seal it, and then shake it. Shake it about 2 minutes or until everything is all mixed well, and we're going to pour it in our chicken. But right now I am trying to marinate the chicken with salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, a half a cube of your chicken bouillon, and I also add in some half teaspoon of ginger. Yes guys, you got it right. So we are going to use our buttermilk as our brine together with the spices that we added in the chicken. And later, once everything is coated, we will put it in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours or overnight. So as you can see, we are using wings, and wings are easy to burn. So what I do is, once the chicken wings are at least light brown, I take them out of the pan and drain them and put them in a rack, and then fry the rest of the chicken wings. So frying the chicken wings twice will make it crispy. The first time we are just trying to lock all the flavors in without burning the chicken. Please maintain your heat at 350 degrees Fahrenheit so the chicken wings won't absorb oil, and also you will have a crispy fried chicken.